Hello, everyone. My name is Alfredo Lopez, and I will be speaking on the behalf of my team. We are Phase Systems, and if you're wondering how we got this name, it's actually from our first initial of each of our names. It took us quite a while actually to figure this out. So, anyways, I'm here to talk about the home energy monitoring systems and how we as a company believe that we can enhance this. Our goal here is to enhance the system, and we're going to be able to do that by collecting. Our software is going to collect electricity consumption data on individual appliances, such as your washer, fridge, oven, anything, um, and it'll give the user the recommendations as to maybe switching out that appliance that may be using more energy than others, or it's costing you too much on your monthly bill. It would be able to give you recommendations on switching it out on other brands that um, are better at saving energy. And so that'll be up to the end user to decide. Okay, so moving on. Um, as you can see here on the left side, we have a chart that is representing the energy consumption in the US from all the way back to 1950 to up to last year, 2020. As you can see here, in yellow is electricity, and it's obviously always been the most used. Um, we also found, according to Visual Capitalist, over 30% and 35% to be exact of this electricity is actually being wasted. And so the goal of our company is to help homeowners eliminate the amount of wasted electricity in their households. We believe that our software will be able to identify these areas of waste and help reduce the total consumption without affecting the level of comfort for the homeowner. Um, and so I'll be talking more about this. So let's move on here. Um, I'm gonna talk a little bit about some appliances that we as homeowners um, don't realize that some of our devices are always switched on, even though when you think they're off. And these are called vampire appliances. These include like your satellite DVR, such as your DirecTV, your dish, your computer, printers, your DVDs, your Blu-ray, your central heating furnace, routers or modem, your Wi-Fi, your internet. It's always on, um, 24/7. Your phones when you're charging your phone, gaming console. I personally am a victim of this. I'd like to charge my controllers overnight, so I leave my gaming console on rest mode, but it still is consuming energy. Um, your television and your microwave. Your microwave and oven times are always on, and they're constantly using energy. Um, so if you look on your right, these are some of the monitoring systems that some of our potential clients, customers have, and our job is going to be to enhance these devices to be able to track independent appliances and make recommendations, which I'll talk about more here soon. All right, so here is our business model. Um, some of the key customers for us are obviously going to be home energy monitoring systems, or as we like to call them, HEMS for abbreviation, for short. Some of the ones we believe will fall with us in this with this software is going to be Sense, Smappy, Effergy, Emporia Energy, and a lot of others. Um, so our customer value proposition is to enhance the application that these customers already have. Our software is going to be able to enhance uh, these systems, and that's going to be, as you can see in the key process, uh, we want to design an efficiency recommendation system, which will help the user save money. It's going to help the environment. Like I said, it's going to recommend uh, to the end user what could be possible next steps, such as buying new appliances or a different brand. We also believe that this will build stronger customer loyalty. It'll increase the market share and it leads to energy usage awareness. Um, our key resources, it's going to be our end user data, analytical models, and of course our software developers. And this is where we also have some of our costs, which is going to be under infrastructure and software development. Um, some more, a little bit more on our key process is to create the analytical model. I talked about the recommendation system and to support partnership between these HEMs and the appliance maker. And lastly, our revenue, which is very important. We're going to have a yearly license fee, which will help maintain our business, and appliance advertising as well. All right, so let's move on. We'll talk a little bit just about the capabilities of smart connected products. They're grouped into 4 different areas or sections, and that is monitoring, control, optimization, and autonomy, and all these work together in conjunction. For us, the most important um, of these capabilities is optimization, because we are enhancing the product performance, we are enhancing the application that is already in use. Uh, so I just wanted to talk a little bit about that. All right, so let's move on. Conclusion. We as a team, we believe that our analytics will help create additional value to these HEMs by saving money, helping the planet, like I mentioned before, stronger customer loyalty, and increased market share. Empowering homeowners is very important to us. Uh, we believe that this is done by helping them save money while also caring for the planet. And this is why it's innovative and it'll be very popular among most people. It'll increase the HIM's customer base and amplify environment-oriented uh, messages to potential new customers. Um, Also, this quote you see here, "Jump the Curve" by Guy Kawasaki. Um, for us, this means uh, we want these companies to not wait for the next generation of technology or advancements to happen. We don't want other generations to do it. We want them to do it now. And we also believe that this initiative over time will lead to uh, a more conscientious use of electricity and help the planet. And who doesn't like saving money on their monthly bills? Um, so that is it. Thank you.